are all black beads. You can get in the stones, fancy, chain type, black beads. You can see all. These are all chains which normally you can wear on a dress or else sari. You can wear. You can see this all. Locket top, locket chains. You can get this. These are all in less price. You can see all this silver balls, and this is bracelet. These are all black beads. This is a CZ locket. You can see the all type of lockets. These are all 1 gram gold item. All black beads, you can see. Without locket they are. You can attach the locket also. These are all nose rings with chain, without chain. It calls like Maharashtra Nat. You can see all. Nose rings with chain. If you want bigger one, you can see this. These are all headset, nose ring, chain. While the festival, this is a useful item. And these are fancy headset, nose ring. You can see. Only headset. Tika. These are all brooches. Brooches, sari pin. These are daily use sari pin and brooches. These are also same sari pins. These are all brooches. Brooches plus sari pin, 2-in-1 sari pin. These are all sari pins. In the sari pins also there is lot of varieties, you can see. There is a lot of variety in the sari pins also. You can see. These are all pattu saris colors in this. You can see this. See. Which are matching. You can wear also colorful type. These are all colorful types. This is a latkan hanging over down. This is a whole range of sari pin which you can wear also color matching. These are also fancy saree pins. These are. You can wear also daily use or else party function wear. You can use. These are all new. These are all daily saree pins. Daily use. Golden color, dark colors, black, white prints. You can see this all prints. Flower print, love, or else flowers. You can see all prints. These are daily use. These are thick one. It will be won't damage while using. You can say this. These are number one quality in the saree pin. Unbreakable. They are. You can see this print. H shapes. Transparent colors. These are also printed black, curve shapes, egg shapes. You can see all the shapes like this. This you can see, this is 3D glass. You can see the design clearly, which has been attached with the glass, but it is unbreakable. You can see this. It is very good quality. In this there are two shapes, which round and egg shapes. These are less prices of saree pins, which may around 60 rupees, 70 rupees. You can get the whole packet like this. You can see all the varieties. In this they are also printed. You can see. But these are also good quality, but it is in normal range. These are daily saree pin, like a all pin. You can see this. This is plastic one, but it called as a all pin. And in this you can get double locked saree pin. You can see this. And in this you can get fruits. This is strawberry, apple, grapes. You can get like this. Strawberry. These are grapes. This one is imported, which it is thick one. So you can, in this there are 3 sizes, 3 dozen packing. And after that you can see this stone item, stone saree pin, as you can use as a brooch also, plus saree pin also. These are all saree pins which you can use as a brooch pin. You can see all golden, silver, color, black. You can see the models. So that you can see the necklaces. Which they are newly in the market. You can see the all range of necklaces. These are low price, 200, 250 range. You can see this all Bharatanatyam dance sets also, individual sets. You can get whole set also, and you can get individual sets also. You can see individual, but it is better to purchase whole set, which you can get in a less price. You can see all these are necklaces, normal necklaces, as small functions you can wear. You can see all this. These are silver oxidized necklace. I'll show you next. These are single line, western, single line, triple line, single line, double line, triple line, chauber line. 4 lines you can get in this. I'll show you 4 lines. It is 4 lines necklace. And these are also western. You can wear it like this. Western choker. After that you can see all these are oxidized jewelry, short necklaces. You can see all this. These are all latest in the market. You can get colors, multicolors, black color, blue color. This is a locket chain. These are all oxidized metal. This is black beads, latest, fancy type. After that, these are all simple necklaces. Pearl necklace, single locket and tops. See, these all are combs, Nagaram combs. These are all chokers. You can wear on the neck. You can see, or else which color the top is, you can wear that color top, that color choker also. In these colors, black, almost the black is an regular, but some peoples want to matching, so that's why they are colors. And you can get this also, necklace, finger ring, bracelet, 3 in 1. You can get in the pearl and in stones and plain. These are all long chains. You can see that. This is all normal range, 450, 500, this type of ranges. You can see all the necklaces. This is silver oxidized long chains. Matte finishing. You can see this Lakshmi model, whole Lakshmi model. You can see this. This is all round 7 lines. 7 line necklace. These are all long necklace, which are totally copy of gold. You can see in the less prices. These are all brass metals. This is matte finishing. These are all matte finishing. This is gold. For kurtis, sherwani, suits, you can wear. Gents plus ladies, 2 in 1. These are all combo sets. This is for God. This is semi bridal set. These are long necklaces which Gutto Pusal Haram they say. These are Bharatanatyam's long haram.